In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Claude AI in just a few simple steps. This is a quick but useful update if your account name is incorrect, if you've recently changed your name, or if you simply want your Claude profile to reflect the right information. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can do it easily and safely. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful AI tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Claude.ai. Once the page loads, log into your Claude account using your normal sign-in method. If you're not already signed in, enter your email and complete the login process so you can access your dashboard. After you're logged in, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open your account options. This is where Claude keeps settings related to your profile and account preferences. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you into the settings area for your Claude account. Once the settings page opens, make sure you're on the General tab. That's the section where you'll find the name field you need to edit. Now look for the field labeled Full Name. This is the name currently associated with your Claude account. Click inside that box and carefully type in your new name. Make sure you spell it correctly and enter it exactly how you want it to appear. Once you've updated the name, don't forget the final step. Click Save Changes to confirm your update. Claude will then apply the new name to your account, and that's it. You've successfully changed your name on Claude AI. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and now your account details are updated and accurate. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick AI guides, software tips, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.